This video is about how you can integrate Gemini API with Python. So I'll go to Google first and search for Gemini API and click on the first link. So it will land you to ai.google.dev. Click on this link, explore models in Google AI Studio. On the left side, you will see get API key. Click on that and click on create API key. So I'll choose the project Gemini API and create API key in the existing project. It will generate the API key. Once generated, you can copy this API key and I'll go to my VS Code and create a file Gemini API.python and paste my API key and make it as a comment. Now I'll use this API key in future. First, I need to install Google Gen AI module. So I click on view, click on terminal, and from here I'll install pip install Google Gen AI. So this has been installed. You can see successfully installed Google Gen AI 1.5.0. Now I can import this module. So I'll write from Google import Gen AI. Once I have imported the Google Gen AI module, I'll create a client. Client equals to Gen AI dot client. Make sure the client C is capital and the bracket I'll provide the API key. API key will be the same as the one I copied at the starting of the video. So I'll copy the API key here, paste it here. Now, in order to get the response, we need to provide two things. First is the model, which model you will be using, and the second is the content or the prompt. So I'll create a response and response is client.models.generate content. And in that, I'll provide the model. So model I'm using here is Gemini 2.0 Flash. And the content or the prompt, you can provide what is the capital of France, for example. And once you have provided the model in the contents, you can just print the response.text. Save it and run the code. So it says capital of France is Paris. If I want to change the prompt, it will give the response accordingly. For example, if I write population of the world and I'll run this code. So the world population is currently estimated to be around 8 billion people. So this is how you can integrate Gemini API with Python. In the next video, I will show how you can create a chatbot using Gemini API. So please subscribe to the channel and please do like